All right, so we are picking up right where we left off on the last video. This is kind of a continuation of the Cookie Monster problem in which we set up the system of equations right here, and now we are going to solve said system of equations, okay? So with this system right here, there's a couple different options what we could do in order to actually solve for it. What I am looking at, and I tend to, when I'm doing stuff, when I'm dealing with problems that are, vary in like the high numbers here, and I don't see like like just a single X or a single Y here, that's when I tend to kind of do like the elimination method, and I try to, you know, find, X's or Y's to cancel out automatically. So if I look, so I'm going to do the elimination method here, and I'm going to go with the red marker here. So if I look, let's pick, my X's to simplify, because if I pick my X's, all I have to do is multiply this top equation by a -3, so that, it turns my 6x into a -18x for them to cancel out. So I'm going to simplify out, or I'm going to distribute that out. I'm going to get a -18x minus 9y is equal to, do some quick math here, it's going to be equal to a -72. And then this bottom equation right here, the 18x plus 2y equals 44, we didn't do anything with that, so we're just going to bring it down here to get 18x plus 2y is equal to 44. Now my x's cancel, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel those out, and my new equation, let's go ahead and write that in green. If I do the -9y plus 2y, that's going to get me -7y is equal to, and then if I do 72 and then that -72 and 48, that's going to get me a -28. And then from there, you divide by 7 on both sides. Divide by -7. We're going to get that y is equal to 4. Remember, this is technically the cost of, this is the cost, y is the cost of one peanut butter cookie. So that tells me that our peanut butter cookies cost $4. Now, remember, anytime we find our y's, we need to plug them back into one of our equations over here in order to solve for y, or solve for x. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this first equation up here. That one just looks easier for me. So let's just go ahead and do 6x plus 3 times y, which is 3 times 4, is equal to 24. And that turns into 6x plus 12 is equal to 24. I'm going to subtract the 12 on both sides. 6x is equal to 12, which means that x is equal to $2. And that tells me that my chocolate chip cookies cost of chocolate chip cookies is $2, and the cost of peanut butter cookies is $4. All right. Alrighty, so let's move on to the next equation right here. Next one right here. Inequalities, new forms. Let me try to set another one here. So let's see here. I might pause the video for right now. We might move on. We might kind of go over these examples kind of at a later time. So I think I'm going to pause the video, stop the video for right now. Just kind of finish up that last one. I might pull up another example to work out, so we can work it out later. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will have the next videos up real soon. Thank you.